I forgot to put my butter in the microwave to melt it, but it is melted now. And, it is hard for me to believe, y'all, that the holidays are creeping up on us. I think they've moved from a creep to crawl, a full-blown call. Sprint. I mean, I just can't believe it. And I'll tell y'all something else. The older you get, the quicker it flies by. So make sure you get to do everything that you want to do. Get her done. And, today it's all about walking down memory lane today. This is one of the most requested recipe, and it has been for years and years since people tasted it in our restaurant years ago. And it's so easy, and we can't have a Thanksgiving without this being on our table. And it's just pure stupid. It's so easy. I'm going to use 1 box, of that cornbread mix. It kind of tastes like cake. 1 box of that. 1 cup of sour cream. Look how that just plopped right on out like it was supposed to. A can of cream style corn. And a can of whole kernel corn that I drained. Alrighty. The only thing I have to add to it now is the butter. And I'm going to get this all mixed up. And so many people tell me when I run into folks out there, oh my gosh, they think I'm an incredible cook when I cook that corn casserole. I mean, it's good, y'all. So you'll want to get that cornbread mix, all mixed in real good. All right, now we've got our stick of melted butter. And that'll thin this out a little bit. All right, so I'm going to spray our pan because I don't want it to stick as it's cooking. So I got that mixed up real good. There's no sight of the biscuit mix. It's all in. Okie doke. Now we've got cheese, but we're not putting it in it. About 5 minutes before it's done, I'm going to put this whole package of cheese on it. Now, I think the recipe says cook this for 45 minutes. I think a lot has to do with it, whatever size dish you're going to cook it in. But, just keep an eye on it. All right, y'all. I've got some children around here that doesn't like cheese. Can you believe it? So, I'm just going to cheese half of it. All right, now I'm going to stick this back in the oven and let that cheese melt. Anthony and Michael are over there eating a bite. So I'm going to let them taste. Look at that. Look at that beautiful casserole. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. All right, now I'm only dipping y'all up a little bit just so you can taste.
Oh, that's a pie?
No, that's a corn casserole.
Oh.
Uh-huh. You've had it, Anthony. You just don't remember. Oh, and I meant to give y'all the part with the cheese on it. It got the stamp of approval from the #1 pro eater, maybe the #2 pro eater. Junior. Yeah, he'll call his daddy and say, "Dad, it's Junior."
They call me senior.
And calls him senior. Well, if y'all been thinking about the holidays the last few days, the collard greens are perfect. The corn casserole is perfect. Yum. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.